to San Antonio Living. You know, as we get closer to the new year, there are some trends to look out for when it comes to your next home remodel. Mike and Molly Salary of Virtuoso Builders are back to talk about what we can expect as we look forward to the new year. It's nice to see you guys. Thanks for coming in.
Too.
Yeah.
Happy holidays.
I know. I'm excited. Thank you so much. All right, but let's talk about the new year because a lot of people didn't get stuff done this year. So now they're looking into 2024 for that remodel. Are there some trends that are going to stick around?
There's some staying power from 2023 to 2024. We are seeing farmhouse slowly move out.
I've heard this, yes.
And then you are seeing the modern clean lines from 2023. That is going to carry over to 2024, but we're adding in more traditional elements. So things like handmade brick or tile pieces, a lot of herringbones, so not necessarily on the walls, but you'll see it on the floors, wood, tile, stuff like that.
Okay, well that leads me to colors. Like, are we getting rid of the gray?
Well, yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
They're bold contrast. So, warm with cool colors, a lot of, you might even see a lot of blues. So blues with creams, maybe a lot of greens, same type of thing, a lot of contrasting colors, soft with cool. Interesting. Okay, I like that trend. It sounds like I can get behind it. Okay, Mike, what about some special features that we might see in 2024?
Well, you're going to see a carryover again, like Molly mentioned earlier, but part of the modern or more contemporary look is less clutter. Right, so you still need to have access to your coffee machine, toaster, oven every day, but you don't want to see them sitting on the countertop. So a lot of requests for what we call appliance garages. So they're still there, but they're hidden behind doors. Another thing, again, on the modern look is less clutter. So you spend all this money on a backsplash, but you don't have these plugs every 2 feet. But you have to have plugs. So now we're putting them on the underneath side of the upper cabinets, so it's a nice, clean look.
Yeah, so just smart. Like that.
Yeah, a little garage for my mixer there.
That's right.
I like that idea. Okay, what about some design elements for next year? Anything we can expect there?
Yeah, I mean, again, the same thing. The design kind of also goes into the multi-purpose type thing. So you have a room that is a laundry room, but now it'll be a pantry, overflow pantry, and a mud room. So you're going to have kind of this combination of things as well. But then again, on the design, I think Molly has a little bit more.
Oh yeah, there's definitely a combination of mixing backsplashes. So what that means is maybe in your kitchen, instead of having all the same backsplash all the way around, above your range, there's been some different things, but maybe it's just a slab. So either your countertop continues up above the range, or maybe it's just a big tile slab piece. So we're mixing, a lot of mixing.
You know what that means to me? We need to work with a professional, someone who knows what they're doing. Here's how you can find Virtuoso Builders. They're here in San Antonio. You can scan the QR code. It will take you straight to them. You can also give them a call and set up an appointment at 210-525-8750. Visit them online as well. You can see a lot of great pictures and behind the scenes video.